Hi, Brent Stutzman with Brand Your Practice and TheraSaaS. About 4 years ago, my wife's private practice and a lot of my marketing clients, we had Excel spreadsheets. That's how we tracked client leads coming in from websites. And it got so out of control. Clients were falling through the cracks, and I just imagined there was a big pile of cash sitting on a table that we couldn't get to because of this confusing Excel spreadsheets. So I knew we needed a CRM, and I looked all over the internet, but HighLevel was the only one that was a CRM and HIPAA compliant. So what I did is I got HighLevel, I tested on my marketing clients for a whole year, and it went so well, I decided to go into the SaaS side of things and reselling HighLevel as a white label SaaS product. So it's called TheraSaaS. And it's my first year into doing that, and I have over 50 subscribers right now, and it's going really well. And it's solving a lot of problems for my clients. So if you are interested in getting a CRM that you could either white label for yourself or to use for your clients, I highly recommend HighLevel.